Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you my first Target haul. First of all, as far as clothing, first of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these pieces of clothing. Also, go ahead and give me some likes, okay? So, it'll help my channel out a whole lot. So, y'all, this is my first Target clothing haul, okay? So, I had picked up some pieces. I went online, picked up some pieces. Also, this dress right here, I just got in the mail. I didn't have enough time to steam it out, but I wanted to bring it to you all. This is a nice quality dress, sundress. This is nice for any occasion, any. So I liked how, you see how it has the waist. It's really stretchy waist. This is a size large. And then also at the bottom, a step back so you can see it has ruffles at the, at the bottom. And I thought this was so cute. I thought it was so cute. And New Day. This dress right here, sundress, is $27.99. And it is so nice. Nice quality. Comfortable. I can, if I want to go out and eat, honey, I still got enough room. I could have went down to a medium, but I wanted to go ahead and then it has pockets. So that's really good. So if you're out and about, going to brunch, going to dinner, dress that I had gotten from Target. I went in the store and purchased this one. I think this was $20. I think it was $20. I don't know where my tag went to. Thought I had my tag on. I think this was either $15 or $20. That's what this dress was. But this is like a t-shirt material dress. They come in different colors, but I decided to get this yellow because it was the only color in the store. I mean, they sold out of all the other colors. But this is a size large. And I thought this was a nice, just relaxable dress. If you just want to just around the house, you can dress this up, you can dress this down. You can dress it different type of ways that you want, but it is really stretchy. So I got this in a size large. I could have, no, I wouldn't have went down to a medium because even though it's stretchy, it still hugs you. And I have, my hips. So I thought this was really nice. Really nice. So it gives a lot of stretch, even up here. See, some dress. And I think they still have them online. But I just thought this was so nice. All right, so this is another dress that I got. And I thought this was really nice. Nice quality. This is from A New Day. Majority of my purchases are from A New Day as far as the dresses. I forgot to let you know. I think I told you all that this dress was either $15 or $20. Wrong. This was from A New Day. I am so sorry. I gave you the wrong amount. This was $12. This is a nice quality jersey dress that is $12. And like I said, it's real stretchy. So I wanted to let you all know, yes, this is from A New Day and it is actually $12. I paid $12 for this, okay? So get back to this dress. This dress right here is $29, $29.99, and it is from A New Day also. A New Day is a nice brand that Target has. They have nice quality items. Now, some of the items that I have purchased, they fit me good on the bottom, but big up top, like this dress right here. This dress, it is really nice. And like I said, it has these little knot things on here. Let me just bring it to you into the front. Okay. See that I thought that's really cute. But the only thing different, this is a size large. It's too big in here, my top part. So I'm gonna have to take this so it can get fixed through, you know, to alterations. So, but around here, it's nice. And then, you know, my hips, I got plenty of room for my hips. And it has a lining right here. So it's not really see-through. Well, kind of see-through a little bit, but it's okay. You know, it's not like really see-through, okay? But it is kind of thin, but nice. I think it's nice quality material, okay? So if you're going to purchase this, I would get, well, this is a size large, like I said. I would not size up. I probably would get my true to size. I have elastic on the arm part, which is nice, really nice elastic. Because I know some people, they, about their arms, but this is nice. You can pull it down some. Let me pull this up. Told you it was like a little big right here. But I thought this was so nice. So you can pull it down, or if you don't want it down, you can pull it up. But it has a little elastic. It has the little arms, the puff arms. And I like that. I like the puff arms. I think they're so cute. And this is the square neck. And I thought this was really cute. You know, if I had on some nice little jewelry, you know, my earrings, with nice little dainty necklaces. Thought this would be really cute. You can wear this for brunch, date night, to me, anytime. If you just want to just dress up and just go to the store. This is a nice little dress. Nice sundress. All right, so this right here is another nice top that is from A New Day, and it is $20. And I just thought the details on this white crisp top was so beautiful. See, I'm gonna bring you a little closer. See the details in the ruffles on the, I usually don't like things on my neck, but this right here is fine. It's not too tight, and it's not like you're choking. And the little snap back here is like the little button snap that you put the little string on. It gives you, and this is a size large. And also it has it on the details on the sleeves. I thought they were so nice. So if anybody that, you know, is particular about their arms, this top I think is really nice. And, you know, some people like to hide their arms, and I think this is a really nice top. And it's white, and it comes in different other colors. I got this in the store. This is like, again, from A New Day, and I just like how it flows. You know how it flows. You can tuck it in if you would like. You know, I like it either way. You can have it tucked in. This will be nice. You can wear this also either with some jeans. Like I just paired them with these blue jean shorts that I got on. I forgot where I got these from. I think I got these last year. I think these are from Walmart. I think I got these from Walmart last year. But I just paired them with this top. And I just thought this was really nice. Because you can't go wrong with a white shirt. Everyone should have white tops in their wardrobe. Either white button downs, just white little dainty tops, you know, just really cute. I just thought this was really nice. And when I seen it, I said, yes, I have to have that. I have to have that. And I just thought it was just so sweet. And then, you know, it even comes over your bump. Really nice. Really nice. All right, so this tank right here, I had got from Target. This tank right here is $8. It is nice quality tanks. you need to have some nice quality tanks. Also, you can wear this like, you can put a blazer on, wear it with this, or you can just wear it like this. You know, it's different ways that you can wear this tank and style it. You know, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can dress it different ways. So I just paired it with these shorts and tucked it in. And then let me show you, it's not a long, it comes right here. This is the size that I have on is an extra large. I could have went down to a large, but like I told you, I just like to wear with a little stretch in there in my clothes. And it's nice, and let me see, show you back here. See, just really nice. And this is from A New Day also. This tank's from A New Day. And it is $8. Nice quality. And it's ribbed. It is ribbed. So let me show you. Come close to you so you can see. It is ribbed. Nice. So here is another A New Day tank. This one is ribbed also, and it's $8. It's just like the black one that I just showed you, but this white one is a little, to me, it's like a little thinner in the material, but it's still nice quality tank. And they come in different colors, okay? It's just not the black and it's just not the white. They come in different colors. You just have to find them. I got these from in the store. I didn't order on the line. I got these from in the store. So you have to really, you know, look to see the colors. But they do come in different pretty colors for spring and summer. Okay? So this is nice. And this is ribbed also. So let me bring it closer so you can see it. See, it's ribbed. Then if you want to tuck it in, which is fine too. All right, so this is right here, the last tank that I had purchased. I got this in a red. This is a different style of tank, but it's from the same brand, A New Day. And they have some real nice tanks. This is a size extra large. I could have got, like I said, I could have got a large, but I just went ahead and got the extra large. And it doesn't, you know, it's like a little crop, like, not crop top, but a crop of my liking. And yeah, it's just real nice quality. It's just like a red. This is a red. Hopefully it's coming off the color red. Let me bring it close to you. It's just nice quality. So if you want to tuck it in, you can. Okay, nice price, affordable price, $5. Can't beat that. These are $5. They come in different colors from A New Day. That's the brand. Purchased one pair of sandals. These sandals right here remind me a little bit of a dupe. They are from A New Day. This is the brand, A New Day. They are a size, I got them in a size 9. You can get them in your size if you would like, but me, I always size up to a 9. I am an 8.5, but I always size up to a 9. The price of these are $29.99, and they are really nice quality. And they are, I've already kind of I've tried them on because I had ordered them from off the website because they were sold out of some of the stores that I seen. But these are nice. They kind of remind me of the dad sandals from Chanel, but a little bit of Bottega on across here, but with the puffiness. But these are really nice quality. Real nice quality. And like I said, it's from a brand, A New Day. So let me bring them close to you. A New Day. And I thought these was nice. These are really nice. So I got these. And these, like I said, these was $29.99. And I got these online. If you can't find them in the store, try online, but they are selling out. Majority of these clothes are selling out for the spring and the summer. So you might want to try to get your hands on these if you like, you know, the pieces. So, but this right here is the end of my Target haul. Right now, I think A New Day has 5% off. I think it's 5% off on the Target Circle. So you might want to, I think it ends today. But it is 5% off. And then there is I think it's like $10 gift card if you buy $50 or more on, it's like a Target Circle that you clip on the app. So you probably could, you know, pay a little less money on the Target Circle. So if you have that, then if you have the red card, then you get a little percentage off of there too. So you can always save a little money. So you might want to go on the Target Circle and go into the apparel part, or if you just, you know, type in A New Day, and then you will see where there's a percent. I think it's like 5% off. And then if you buy $50 or more for A New Day, then it gives you back a $10 gift card. So that saves you some coins, okay? Save you some money. But y'all, this right here was my Target haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel, and give me some likes, okay? So it'll help my channel out. Thank you.